Welcome to today's broadcast. Today is Thursday, January 15th, 2026, and today we have some special guests. We have Cadence, Jonathan, and Tyler. And yesterday, during the advisory, we had a remembrance of Frank. Let's give him a moment of silence for him.
This will be a 4-day weekend because of Martin Luther King Jr. Day. And for the joke of the week, drum roll please.
Why don't eggs tell jokes? Because they might crack up! Also, next Tuesday, we'll be having a boys basketball game on January 20th at 4 o'clock. Make sure to get a note from the office if you plan on going.
Don't forget to have your stamp card signed in by the 28th of January. Also, it is not too late to sign up for the 2026 March East Coast trip. Now it's time for the character of the week.
Also, in my opinion, is the finest man in this world. My man, I would like to introduce.
Drum roll, please. Peter Malark from the Hunger Games.
This week is School Board Appreciation Week, so thank them all for all they do. Time for an update on the Eagles nesting in Big Bear Valley, California. They are still preparing to lay eggs this year. This will hopefully be happening around a week from now. That's all for today. Have a great 4-day weekend. Bye. This week, there's a school board appreciation. Oh, wait. This week is school board. This will hopefully. I'm restarting that. What do you mean?